It's a radically empirical way to investigate the nature of reality from the inside out. Investigate the mind from the inside with an open mind and see what flows. And then let your assumptions fall away as they do. And so what is clearly true, but which has been known for hundreds of years, that when people, 5,000 years ago got kicked in the head by a horse, they might not be so smart afterwards. They get kicked in the butt. Probably it's okay. And so clearly the mind and brain are correlated. There's strong correlations, but correlation does not mean equivalence, not in any system of logic I've ever heard. Just to acknowledge how ignorant we are, that there has been actually no progress at all tackling, solving the hard problem. How do the mind and brain interrelate? You don't talk the problem away just by saying one is the way of talking about the other. That's just an opinion. Now, Marcelo made a comment that I've heard many times, acknowledging we don't understand the nature of consciousness. So it's agnosticism, right? That's humility, it's good. But then he went a bit further. No one does. That, as a person who's lived in Asia for, many years, at least seems like you're moving from agnosticism to omniscience. Nobody knows. If they tell you that you do, they don't know what they're talking about. How do we know what everybody else knows? We've ignored Asia for the whole history of science. Did anybody in Asia come up with anything in the last 5,000 years about the nature of mind and consciousness? They're using different methods that we have not used. And scientists are using methods they have not used. So I'm not here to argue one is better than another, but I am suggesting that it's more hubris to say nobody knows about consciousness because we don't. We white people, we Eurocentric people. The age of colonialism should be over by now. But the remnants of that is if we don't know, nobody knows. I'm not persuaded that's true. Maybe, in fact, I am quite confident there are people outside of our own culture. I've lived with Tibetans for 14 years that have very deep insight in the nature of consciousness. They didn't get there by just believing this or that or having great faith in the Buddha, but by doing what scientists do, with an open mind, rigorously investigating the phenomena itself and seeing what comes up, but not having ideological blockages to say that evidence can't be true because that doesn't conform to my core theory. It's too much. So to be truly open in the 21st century, I think we have to be humble where we stand, but also humble about what other people do and do not know.